Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with two dip powders from Bling Galleria, and these two colors here are stunning and wait till you see them in action. The first one here, it's Boss Lady. It is a beautiful like magenta purple, and it's that bright pop of neon that really makes the foils in Hawaiian Sunset pop. So this is an orange neon base with some beautiful purple and silver foils. It is simply stunning. We're going to be making a set of press-ons today, and then we're also going to be doing some color blocking and using some dip liquid. So the first thing I'm going to do is put this little piece of tape on the color blocking accent nail that we're doing. Now the hardest part of this whole color blocking is making sure that you're getting that line on the nail as straight as possible, and that's going to be the hardest part of this whole color blocking. Okay, so we're going to dive right in, and we're going to start out with this beautiful, bright, vibrant Boss Lady in this color right here. It's so pretty. Now, if you haven't seen the Bling Galleria neon solid colors, you need to check them out. They are stunning, and they are great staple colors for your dip collection, and these powders are super buttery and highly pigmented, and you can see here how pigmented Boss Lady is with one dip right here. Check it out. Isn't it amazing, that full coverage with that one dip? So we're going to brush that off, and we're just going to go ahead and do one more layer, and then we will get into that beautiful foil and color blocking, and then I will pop back in just a few moments.
Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take Boss Lady and I'm going to take a little ombre eyeshadow brush, and now I'm just going to go ahead and brighten up that Boss Lady purple that we originally dipped on that nail first, because it's a little dulled out now that I dipped into that orange. So I really want that Boss Lady color to really pop, and this is also going to create kind of like a radiant effect on that color blocking, which is really just all going to come together. But if you like color blocking into solid pigmented colors and then you realize that your first color isn't as bright as it was when you originally dipped, just do what I just did. Get a little bit of that pigment on a brush and then just brush that on to the nail, like scrub it like you're doing a scrub ombre, and you're going to be good to go. So now I'm going ahead and clear encapsulating the nails. I'm only showing one nail on camera, and then we're going to go ahead and activate and then file and buff. I will say that this clear dip powder from Bling Galleria is amazing. It has definitely been my go-to. I've been using this clear powder nonstop for the past, I want to say like 6 weeks now. We're probably going into about 8, to be honest. It is amazing. It is such a phenomenal clear. I will say I did forget to use a stiff nail brush one time when I was brushing off the clear, and I did not have any cloudiness with the nail. Now, I don't recommend skipping that step. If you want a clean, crystal clear nail, definitely use a little scrub brush to make sure that you are getting all that clear powder off before you go ahead and activate. But I did not have any issues with this clear powder. It is simply amazing. I don't know what kind of magic is in this clear powder, but it is very, very glass clear. So if you're looking for a good glass clear, this is going to be your jam. All right, so check out that finished mani with that gel top coat. I just love this so much. It's definitely giving me all those Hawaiian tropical vibes. These colors here are perfect for summer, or even if you like bright colors. I like bright colors all year long, so this mani is definitely one of my favorites. And Hawaiian Sunset, these foils are amazing. There was no bleeding at all with the method that I used today for the mani, and it is just very unique and different, and I just love it. And these colors right here are definitely my favorite right now. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. Please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next upload.